How to install Progressive Web app. You can install the Progressive Web app on your computer or on mobile device directly from the website. This will help you stay up to date with the latest products and information and helps to easily receive notifications. Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how easily you can download web application. Click on Install App to download web application, or you can see download button next to language. Click on Install App and click on Install in the pop-up. You will get a pop-up to pin application to taskbar. Click Yes and that's it. Your web app will be downloaded and it is ready to use.